Cottage in the Wood, and today you join me in our lovely 1919 restaurant where I'm going to be stirring up a classic, the traditional Christmas pudding. So you may be wondering why we're doing this video in October. Well, it's really important that we get the maturing stage in here. So that leads us on to the best part of the recipe, the booze. So to start off, we've had all of our fruit for the pudding been soaking in alcohol for the last 48 hours. Like everything in Cottage in the Wood, we're really proud of our local provenance and using local ingredients. So this is reflected in our alcohol. So first of all, we've got our William Chase Marmalade Vodka. This is a bit of a twist on the traditional, and it's really interesting for us because it's got a nice bittersweet flavour that goes well on our Christmas pudding. For our second alcohol in the cake, we've got the Bewdley Brewery 7-Side Stout. This is really great in our recipe. It's got some really smoky malt, distinctive flavours and chocolate, which I'm sure you'll all be glad to hear. And thirdly is any good spiced rum you can get your hands on. This is really important in the recipe. Gives it that good rummy punch, and it's nice throughout the process to keep feeding it with this. Right, to start making, first stage. It is literally as simple as making a batter with all our ingredients. So, stage one, all of the dried ingredients into the mixing bowl. This is all our flowers, suet, nuts and spices. So, all of that in like so. Next stage is adding the wet. So first of all, I like to add the eggs and treacle. In like so. And finally, the soaked fruit, which, as we know, for a minimum of 48 hours. And now it's stirring it up. This is a many households Christmas tradition, and we like all of our staff to get involved in this for a bit of a good laugh. Really important now we're stirring up. We've got all our lovely alcohol in there, and over the next couple of months we're going to be adding it bit by bit, day by day, to really help mature and improve the Christmas pudding. Unless you've got a thirsty kitchen team on. Traditionally, stirring the Christmas pudding is a big job. So here at Cottage in the Wood, we like to share that between lots of people, saving my little arms. I never know, you might be as lucky as me.
Yeah. Okay. Let's give it a go.
Make a big wish.
A big wish. Like that.
Okay, thank you very much. Right. Make my wish. Stuck in. There we go. You're up next.
And I think of my wish. Don't be shy, you want to look some better.
There we go.
Oh, one more.
The big cup.
Would you want me to stir it?
Yep, make a wish.
Oh dear. Nice.
So why not join us over the Christmas period and stay in the Cottage in the Wood and get one of these as the centrepiece of our hamper, and you might be lucky too.